Hey, gentlemen, welcome back to Senior Support 365. Let me start with a quick story. A man named Robert, 62 years old, recently wrote to our channel. He said, I still feel young inside, but my body doesn't seem to keep up anymore, especially down there. He wasn't talking about confidence or attraction. He was talking about performance, about feeling weaker, less firm, and not as responsive as before. Here's the truth. What happened to Robert isn't just aging. It's biology, and science explains exactly why. Studies show that after 50, the tiny muscles in the pelvic floor that control erections start to weaken, blood vessels lose flexibility, and nitric oxide, the molecule that makes blood flow properly, begins to decline. In one clinical trial published in the British Journal of General Practice, men who trained their pelvic floor muscles saw significant improvements in erection strength and control within just 3 months. And researchers at the University of Naples found that simple lifestyle changes, like movement, diet, and better sleep, restored blood flow and testosterone levels naturally without medication. So, yes, what you're experiencing has a cause, but more importantly, it has a solution. Your penis isn't a passive organ. It's supported by muscles, nerves, and blood vessels that can be retrained and nourished, just like your heart or your legs. And today I'll show you 5 proven science backed ways to rebuild strength, improve circulation, and restore confidence, naturally and effectively. Let's get started. Ready? Method 1. Strengthen the pelvic floor, your hidden power source. Think of your pelvic floor as the foundation of a bridge. When it's strong, everything above it is supported. When it weakens, control and firmness decline. The most important muscle here is called the PC muscle. It wraps around the base of your penis and acts like a valve that traps blood during an erection. When this muscle loses tone, blood leaks out. But when you strengthen it, you gain control, endurance, and power. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Identify the muscle. Next time you urinate, try stopping the flow midstream. That's the PC muscle. Only do this once to locate it. Step 2. Tighten it as if you're gently lifting your penis upward inside your body. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Step 3. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 3 to 4 times daily. Once that becomes easy, hold for up to 8 to 10 seconds and add short, quick pulses, rapid tighten and release motions. Within 3 to 4 weeks, most men notice stronger morning erections and better control. This isn't magic, it's muscle training. The stronger your pelvic floor, the better your blood flow, and the longer you can maintain firmness. Method 2. Boost blood flow. The lifeline of your erection. Erections are 100% dependent on healthy circulation. If blood can't fill the chambers or stay there, performance fades. As men age, arteries stiffen, plaque builds up, and nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax, drops sharply. In fact, many doctors call erectile issues the first warning sign of heart disease. So, if you want better erections, start with your heart, move daily. At least 30 minutes of moderate exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling 5 days a week. Even light activity makes a difference. One study showed that men who walked briskly for just 30 minutes a day saw noticeable improvements in erection quality within 1 month. Why? Because movement opens arteries, lowers blood pressure, and increases nitric oxide, giving your blood vessels more flexibility. You don't need to become a marathon runner, just stay consistent. And here's a quick bonus tip. Finish your showers with 30 seconds of cool water. Cold exposure helps tone blood vessels and improve circulation naturally. Every heartbeat, every walk, every movement sends a message to your body. Keep the blood flowing. Method 3. Eat for your erection. Fuel for hormones and blood flow. Gentlemen, your plate is your pharmacy. What you eat directly shapes your erections, hormones, and blood flow. A diet high in sugar, fried foods, and refined carbs clogs blood vessels, and weakens the nerves that signal arousal. On the other hand, anti inflammatory, nutrient rich foods rebuild the systems that make you perform at your best. Focus on nitric oxide boosters like beets, spinach, arugula, kale, and garlic. They open blood vessels and improve flow. Eat antioxidant powerhouses like berries, green tea, and dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, to protect your arteries. Include healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, walnuts, and salmon. They support hormone balance and keep vessels flexible. And don't forget zinc rich foods like eggs, pumpkin seeds, and shellfish. Zinc is essential for testosterone production. And don't forget hydration. Even mild dehydration reduces blood volume and weakens circulation. Start your day with a glass of water before coffee. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Try this simple meal plan: oatmeal with walnuts and a drizzle of honey for breakfast, a spinach and beet salad with olive oil for lunch, and salmon with steamed vegetables for dinner. Your penis, heart, and brain all thrive on the same nutrients: oxygen, antioxidants, and clean circulation. Method 4. Manage stress. The silent saboteur. Now let's talk about one of the biggest erection killers: stress. When you're under stress, your body releases cortisol, the main stress hormone. High cortisol constricts blood vessels, lowers testosterone, and tells your brain now is not the time for intimacy. In survival mode, your body literally shuts off arousal signals to focus on safety. That's why anxiety and performance issues often go hand in hand. So, how do you take back control? Start with deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Do this a few times a day. It physically tells your nervous system to relax. Add 10 minutes of mindfulness or meditation daily. Just sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, resets your cortisol levels. Get outside. Nature, sunlight, and gentle movement all rebalance stress hormones. And don't underestimate emotional connection. Talking, laughing, or spending time with people who make you feel seen releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone that promotes calm and desire. When stress drops, testosterone rises, circulation improves, and performance follows. Your mind and body work together. Calm the mind, and the body responds. Method 5. Prioritize sleep and the hidden hormone booster. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for male vitality. During deep sleep, your body releases testosterone, the hormone that fuels libido, energy, and muscle strength. Men who sleep less than 6 hours a night often have 15 to 20% lower testosterone than those who get 7 to 8 hours. Sleep also triggers natural REM erections, when blood rushes to the penis to keep tissues healthy. Skipping rest means skipping repair. So, make sleep sacred. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius is ideal. Avoid screens an hour before bed. The blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Cut caffeine and heavy meals late at night. Instead, try calming teas like chamomile or lemon balm. When you start sleeping better, you'll wake up with stronger morning erections, higher energy, and a sharper mind. Sleep is nature's testosterone therapy. Free, powerful, and available every night. Final thoughts. Reclaim your strength. Let's recap. Train your pelvic floor, move daily, eat for blood flow and hormones. Manage stress, sleep deeply. These 5 pillars work together. No pill or quick fix can match what consistent habits can do for your body. Your penis isn't separate from your health. It reflects it. When you nourish your body, calm your mind, and move with purpose, everything improves: energy, confidence, and performance. Give it time. 4 to 6 weeks of consistency can completely change how you feel. And if you've tried these steps but still struggle, don't ignore it. It might signal a deeper issue like diabetes or cardiovascular disease. Talk to your doctor. That's not weakness, it's wisdom. Gentlemen, your strength isn't gone. It's waiting to be rebuilt. Start today. Because your best years, I know, in body, mind, and vitality, but can still be ahead of you. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science backed, natural strategies to keep you strong and confident for life. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you every single day.